Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning. 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. We got a pretty calm market to kick things off. S&P's flat right now, trading at 36.66. We got the NASDAQ up 17, 12,472. The Dow up 20 points at 29,888. And the Russell positive by 1 as well, 1838. Crude, pretty calm as well, off 14 cents right now at 45.14. The gold contract catching a little bit of a bid, up $9 to 18.39, was as high as 18.47 at one point. You have silver, a little bit of lower action just recently. Silver from 8 a.m. just trading from 24.40, now under 24 at 23.96. I know we got some natural gas action going on in the den. Natural gas right now trading at 261. Look at that drop off from yesterday, folks, from almost 295 to 260. Watch out for that market. My goodness. Notes and bonds. A little bit of a reverse from the huge action we saw in terms of downward action. You get the 10-year right now up 4 ticks, and we're looking at a 10-year yield of 0.934%. We were approaching a 1% yield, pretty close there yesterday. Right now, you're at 0.934% with the 10-year up a bit on price. And we'll jump over to the VIX this morning. Volatility index, 2088. Down from about just over 21 yesterday, but all things considered, we've come into a new normal in the VIX. I mean, look at where we are, right? 2028 was the prior low. 41.16 was the high coming into the election. Coming into some vaccine news, well, we got election results. That uncertainty got sucked out of the market. We got vaccine results. 95% efficacy. We got 2 or 3 companies with looks to be solid vaccines coming down the pipeline. The first vaccines coming down 2-3 weeks potentially to first line responders and so forth, frontline workers. And man, it just all the volatility gets sucked out. We're trading at 21 right now. We may have to wait some time, but light at the end of the tunnel and the market getting ahead of itself as well. This November, folks, my goodness, we started it at about 32. We started the month of November. Where do we open on November 2nd? 32.60. We are 407 points above that price right now in the S&Ps. Remarkable. Doesn't mean you'll see it pull back anytime soon because the market knows that there's going to be euphoria, folks. It's coming. Get ready. But also, folks, be careful because the numbers out there pretty stark as you have hospitalizations over 100,000 now. I think we approached 3,000 deaths yesterday alone. LA shutting down. 3-6 months, folks. Wear a mask, social distance, get over this thing, and get ready to party when it's done. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento is coming up next. And don't forget about his webinar next Wednesday on our page.